Welcome back to the farm. Today we have the high-end RC Explosion Box baseball edition. In the box we have 2012 Topps Heritage, 18 Topps Update, 22 Bowman Jumbo, 23 Bowman Chrome, 23 Topps Chrome Update Sapphire, and 23 Topps Series 1 Jumbo. So let's start. Due to time, I've already opened the box. So let's start with the 23 Jumbo from Series 1. All right. We got Fernando Tatis Jr., Derek Hall, Matt Strom, Tommy Edman, a Brett Beatty rookie, Lucas Giolito. We have Christian Javier, Tommy Pham, Herman Marquez, Patrick Sandoval, Shane Bieber, Kevin Gausman, Sandy Alcantara. We have Luiver Pregaro rookie, Yasmani Grandal, Yandy Diaz. We have Toronto Standing Stars Celebrate. Toronto's Young Stars Celebrate. Alex Verdugo, Vaughn Grissom rookie. Let's see here. We have a green speckle, numbered to 499 of John Gray. Tanner Rainey gold foil. Looks like not numbered. We have a 30 for 30. Welcome to the club, Jeff Bagwell. We've got an 88 design of Pete Alonso. Yu Darvish, Mark Appel rookie, Max Stassi, Daniel Vogelbach, David Villar rookie, Liam Hendricks, Jeffrey Springs, Ryan McMahon. We've got the AL ERA leaders of Verlander, Cease, and Manoah. We've got the Red Sox team card, Marcus Wilson, Tanner Scott, Danny Jimenez. We have McNeil, Freeman, and Goldschmidt, the NL average leaders. Hoskins provides Jolt for Phillies card. UC Kikuchi. We've got Arizona Diamondbacks team card. We've got the Angels team card. NL wins leaders of Wright, Uriah, and Darvish. Teoscar Hernandez. Rony Garcia. Nick Pivetta. And Rafael Devers. Let's go with our next pack being the 23 Chrome Sapphire Update. All right, we got Colby Allard, Jose Hernandez rookie. We have Gavin Stone rookie, and Jonathan Hernandez. Let's go with our 2012 Heritage pack. All right. Emilio Bonifacio, Jason Donald, Kerry Wood, Chase Headley, Daniel Hudson. We've got the Phillies team card, Jocelyn Chachin, 2012 rookie stars of Luis Marte, Brett Pill, Efrain Navarro and Jared Hughes. And 2022 rookie stars of, let's see here, Drew Famaneres, Addison Reed, Alex Liddy, and Michael Taylor. Let's go with our 23 Bowman Chrome pack. Casey Schmidt rookie. Edward Julian rookie. We'll put that up there. That is a decent one. Prospect process of Justin Crawford, Christian Vaquero, and Jose De Paula for the Dodgers. Let's go with our 2022 Bowman pack, 32 card pack, jumbo pack. All right, we got Carlos Correa, Whit Merrifield, Matt Verling, Shane Baz, Jackson Kowar rookie, Gavin Sheets rookie, Juan Yepes rookie, Miguel Cabrera, Manny Machado, Hoy Park, Cal Raleigh rookie. That's a paper. It's a decent one. Alejo Lopez, Mike Trout, Luis Robert, Christian Yelich, Vibrations of Jason Dominguez. That's a pretty cool card. We've got Alexander Vargas. We've got Alexander Vargas again, Chrome card. Austin Hendricks Chrome. Brian Bello first Chrome. Robbie Martin Jr. first Chrome. Reginald Precado. Jason Dominguez paper. Michael Triana first Bowman paper. Henry Mendez. Samad Taylor. Joshua Baez. Jordan Lawler. Rosimar Quintana. Pedro Leon. And Diego Velasquez first Bowman paper. So let's go our last pack, the 2018 Topps Update pack. All right. We have Andrew Suarez, Matt Duffy. Whoops, we got one more here. Matt Duffy. Chris Sale. Devin Mesoraco. We have, let's see here, Ahmed Rosario, Dominic Leone, Joe Jimenez, Robinson Chirinos, Jorge Alfaro, and Lance Lynn. So I would say that's probably not the best RC Explosion box from baseball that I've ever had before, but I mean, sometimes you get those in when you do these, but they're fun rips anyways. I enjoy doing them, so I will continue to do them, but keep enjoying your rips, guys, and just remember, you're never too old to be a ripper.